Welcome to CET Color's instructional web series on large format digital UV printers. Today we're going to show you how to replace an external device board. Gather your materials. You will need a 3/16 socket wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver and the replacement external device board. Make sure the printer is powered off. Refer to our instructional video on powering off the printer. Locate the external device board. It will be located on the same end of the printer as the computer. It is a 5" by 6" green circuit board on the top right-hand end above the main power receptacle. Depending on your printer type, either open the door, open the hatch, or remove the panel. If removing the panel, you will need your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws one by one. In this case, open the hatch. Remove any obstructions to the external device board. Once you have accessed the external device board, go ahead and unplug all connectors, including J9, the ink level, J1, power supply 2 and relay, J4, the sub-tank float switches, J5, J6, the RS-485 communication to the headboard, J2, the RS-485 communication from PCI card. Please take note as to the location of the reset button, which is a small black button located in the middle right-hand section of the external device board. You may need to access this button for future demonstrations. Now grab your 3/16 socket wrench to remove the brass mounting screws. Disconnect the grounding wires. Remove the external device board. Replace with the new external device board. Line up the mounting screw holes and screw in the brass mounting screws. Make sure to reconnect the grounding wires. Once you have secured the external device board to the mount, plug in all connectors, including J9, the ink level, J1, power supply 2 and relay, J4, the sub-tank float switches, J5, J6, the RS-485 communication to the headboard, J2, the RS-485 communication from PCI card, power on the printer. Refer to our instructional video on powering on the printer. Go to the CET print controller and go to the testing and calibration page. Select the nozzle test from the drop-down menu and select your normal operating speed from the carriage speed drop-down menu. Run the nozzle test to confirm proper functioning of the external device board. that's how you properly replace an external device board on a CET Color large format digital UV printer.